pozdrav svima, reagiramo na Sixemovu pjesmu. No, da pustili su ga iz kućnog zatvora. Hvala Bogu. Bilo mi je glupo gledati spotove koji su u zatvoru. Da, to je izašlo jučer. Sorry, prije 20 sata je izašlo. Oprostite moje brainovi, oprostite što vas ostavljam na sjedom za reagiranje pjesma, ali dobro, ajmo da krenemo. Odmah Lambo i driftanje i krtanje, trganje guma.
Shake it back, punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami. Tricky little bitch, she all on the dick, watery, she puckering and shit, guzzle guzzle lit, yeah, she a doggy ass bitch, muzzle up her shit, she just want the ecstasy and shit, trippin' trippin' in this bitch, she just bumpin' in my tubo, bend her up, dick off, pockets on Monopoly, big big spender, big big tempo, big big trigger.
Ajde, gle, ima puno lamba. I braco, brain bi htjelo jedan. Ajoj. Da. Ajde, imam onak 1 kunu i ne mogu se ništa kupiti. Šalim se, imam 4000 kuna.
Big pockets, I'm a big big dick off. Fat punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami. Nasty, 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 make it nasty, 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 make it nasty, 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 make it nasty, nasty, nasty. I know 100 little niggas that'll really hunt a little nigga, hurt a little nigga, use a little dummy little nigga, dirty little nigga, use a little bummy little nigga, ugly ass nigga. Niggas act dumb when I act dumb. Tell them don't act dumb cause I'm dumber. How many shots could a nigga duck? Tell him duck down before he get boom. Fat punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami.
Reklama. Skrati video, please.